keyboard keys. Today I'm taking out one of the longer enter key. Okay, I will show you off from the clothes. This is our enter key looks from the inside. I just opened it to clean the keys. Okay, now this is how it looks from backside, the enter key. It has this rod which comes out like this. We should be entered into the groups and then pressed until the click sound is heard. Okay, we will do it. You will take a close look at it. Here we have to insert these keys into the holes. Okay, you guys can now see how it can be inserted. Now all we have to do is just place the key back and press. You might hear it here as well. Now key is working very fine. This is all step. Thank you guys.